Starting the week off right. Putting on this turbo, an 085 here. It's got a old 330 Cummins in it. So, pretty good old truck. You have to do stuff like this to it every once in a while. But anyway, had to run up to Hope Mills this morning. First thing, get a truck off the side of the road. Had a wheel bearing out on the trailer. I didn't film any of that. But yeah, got that call about 5:20 this morning. So it be like that sometime, as they say. But yeah, they rolling on corn right now. Just hadn't had much chance to film any of it because I've been doing my own thing here, working on trucks. So anyway, I'm gonna set y'all up here in a minute. I will stick this turbo on. Cut the fan off so y'all can hear. So this is the truck. I'll show a short clip of last week getting towed in. Yeah. One of many truck breakdowns here lately. Catch it back, tighten all these up. So you have to spin this part and this here to make it fit. Strip any up. Strip easy on you there. Pressure on. Somebody in the comments is going to tell me I'm doing something wrong, but you know what? I'm alright, so there you go. Be like that. Cool. Send them with you. With it. Say with you. With it. Check the bearings in this turbocharger. Add engine oil to overflowing at the oil inlet prior to connecting the oil inlet line. Allow engine to idle for 1 minute after initial install. Thank you. We are going to oil it. I'm going to get to that here in a minute. So, well, that's no good. Oh, perfect. Thought we had trouble there. Nut fell in. You don't want to ruin a new turbo like that. That's a good way to do it. But, seen that? We would already be. Okay. Well, somebody's calling me, and the rest of this, y'all gonna get in a time lapse, because I'm starting to sweat, and the gnats are getting bad. So I'm gonna turn my fan back on. We'll catch up with y'all later. Like and subscribe. All right, we got everything bolted up, finally. Still got to add some oil level full in there. I'm missing one clamp here. See? Thread's not so happy on that, so as soon as I find that clamp in the morning, fill this up with oil and get her fired up. As you can see, the previous turbo kind of left the group chat, so that thing's junk. Probably could have got it rebuilt somewhere, but I don't know. I called a guy, Florence, that's pretty good on this older trucks, and he told me he could order me a turbo, so easy as that. Fixing to call it a day, I reckon. It's been it's about getting close to 7 o'clock, I believe, so it's been a little while since 5:20 this morning, 5:30, when I woke up. So we'll catch up with y'all later on. What is up, folks? We are cutting corn. Finally back at it. We've had there's a combine over there. 9250 big cart. Rolled out a little 800 bushel. Since we got the help, so we're rolling 2 carts, 2 combines. He's full again down there. So I got that truck back going. Y'all see that coming up. That's gonna be a video. And then I went on vacation for a couple of days, so I went up to the mountains. So I was off some last week. They cut some, and like I said, it started raining wet early part of this week, so naturally it always quits raining about time for you to work all weekend. So but yeah, we rolling strong right now. Just right outside of Bennettsville here on number 9. Waiting on trucks. But I'm gonna get some more footage for y'all sometime or another. Try to get some drone footage. Corn seems to be pretty dry. Some people still got some wet corn, but corn there's dried down pretty good. You can tell by the feeling it. Anyway, I'm gonna hop off of here. We're gonna holler at y'all later.